crores odd. Gurmeet Chadha, Managing Partner and Chief Investment Officer at Complete Circle, joins us on the show. Hi, Gurmeet. Well, you've normally been enjoying the tractor move, but what do you make of this three-wheeler? Atul Auto from nowhere, it was languishing for very, very long, not able to scale up volumes as well. But this EV trigger has come about, the stock has got pushed up, a couple of big investors coming in as well. Prefer the tractor, or will you look at this one?
It's it's on our radar, especially after the brokerage update came in, and we've been tracking their subsidiary, which is the Atul Green Tech as well. And as Sonia made that point that they have plans on exports. They have launched e-rickshaw recently, which apparently has got a good response also. And now they're wanting to get into the L5, which is both cargo as well as the passenger segment. My only thing is, EV forays, news can drive you for a day or for a week. But for it to pan out, it will take time. So you've got, just basis of news, you should not be invested. One company which we like in this space, which has shown steady improvement, is TVS, which is including scooters, mopeds, motorcycles as well as three-wheelers. And if you see, their margins have steadily improved. The stock almost made a 52-week high this week, despite whatever we have seen in the market. Also, if you see their IQ, last quarter, the wholesales were almost 29,000 units. They want to double this. And if you go by the government data, which comes on Vahan, on EV market share, they're almost now at 15%. Plus, there are new launches coming in all segments. They have several good product pipeline. There is a launch of Raider, which is there. There is Ronin. There are a few good launches there. And a bit of a rural play also. If the Rabi crop is good and we are considering we have 7 state elections this year, you will see some government push also on the rural side of the economy. So that's something I'm looking at more closely, and Atul obviously is on the watch.
Right. Gurmeet, now that you've spoken about the auto space, let's talk about the alcohol space and the non-alcoholic beverages space as well. One is because of the heat wave. Secondly, we got Heineken's first quarter calendar year update, where they said that in India, the revenue grew by high single-digit organically. It was a mix of both volume and price-led growth. But importantly, the premium portfolio for them did extremely well. It was led by Kingfisher Ultra as well as Heineken Silver. That's point number one. Secondly, Som Distilleries, another beer stock, up almost 7% as they started production of their facility in Karnataka, enhanced capacity in Karnataka. So that's on the beer side. And secondly, Varun Beverages, after the large trade yesterday, what are your thoughts on this space? I mean, is the heat wave enough reason for people to consume more, and is that in the price?
These calls at best, Manglam are tactical. So if you see, for example, United Spirits also, as I said, we are into a year we have 7 state elections. There could be regulatory interventions. We saw a liquor ban in Bihar some time back. There have been fresh talks in MP on curtailing new licensing and retail outlets. So I would tend to avoid, despite the change of promoter, let's say United Spirits, launches of more premium brand in the whiskey segment, and so despite all of that, plans to cut down debt. Somehow the stock price has not really, some of the other quarter has disappointed. I think a better play, in my view, is linking it to the housing revival, along with enhanced demand for summers, which is a consumer durable segment if you want to play the heat wave. So if you see last 3 to 5 years, both Symphony and Voltas haven't done well. Symphony largely because of the bad acquisition, misallocation of capital in 2017. Voltas also struggling with both the Beko JV as well as the EMPS, which is their product division. But this is one segment, air cooling, where the penetration level is low. Affordability is picking up. Urban side of the economy is definitely doing well. We've seen that with hotel occupancy rates. We've seen that with premium real estate sales. We've seen that with premium car sales, right? So that one segment, I think, which is more structural. You might get a bit of a fillip because of the cyclicality of the business, but this is something which, in my view, is more structural with a 3 to 5 year legroom.
Do stay on. Gurmeet, need to slip into a mandatory commercial break right now. But as we do that, here is a quick programming note. Unstable market conditions have led to lower demat account openings in the month of March, but the F&O segment has seen a retail investor frenzy. data analysis, and a very interesting chat with Balasubramaniam, Chairman of AMFI, coming up at 3:30 p.m. So stay tuned.